What's up guys, my name is Rodrigo Banzato and welcome to Tonka 3D Total Object. And here in this video I will show you a very interesting way to use our models. We have included this character, is the Rodrigo agent, so you can play with his poses, okay? And you can export this very easy to the UDK or even to the Unreal Engine. We have more or less 30 videos of training from the simple box in 3ds Max to a finished model in the engine. Okay, so let's play now. Let's go here in the 3ds Max and let's bring, for example, the file of the agent, but not the file low setup and high setup. These files are configured for the render Vray. Okay, it's very nice. What I want is here is the UDK package, and now I will find here the Rodrigo agent material convert. All right, just bring this inside the 3ds Max, open file, okay, and then take a look. Let me show you something very important here. We have 4 meshes here. If I make this selection, you will see you have 4 objects selected. Let's hide this so we can understand better. Hide unselected, and I'll click the first one. The first one has 13,000 triangles. It's the agent 003. So go here in Pro Optimizer, click calculate. So now this mesh has only 1,000 trees. Click hide unselected. This is the mesh. Okay, if you move here, you can still see his movements, because I made some basic movements for you to export. But let's suppose we want a scene now with the car and the character putting his hand in the car. That's what I will do now. I will click on hide all and we'll make this for all the meshes. Here is the original Rodrigo agent. Rodrigo agent 2, you need to go in the Pro Optimizer, calculate. Okay, now you have 4,000. Go here, click again, Rodrigo 001, Pro Optimizer, calculate. You have 8,000 in this lot, and I think everything is fine. Okay guys, let's work just with let's hide. In fact, let's select by here. It's much faster. I will hide all this mesh. We will just let the Rodrigo agent in the viewport. Let me click here, and let's bring the. I can delete this because I was using this to the reference, so you can delete this mesh. Go here, import, merge, and now I will merge the car. Okay, let's go. By the way, I can go here, street. We have the telephone booth, Carlo setup, open. Let me bring back the car. Okay, here is the car. We'll put it more or less here. Okay. In fact, I was using another copy of the car to make different positions in this part. So you just need to go here and click on hide all, so you can see the tires again. Well, so now let's make a pose for this character. Click this. Let me select the car and eliminate all the animations. I can freeze this character, so I can click just in the bones. If you don't want the gray color, you just need to click in the character, objective properties, turn off show frozen gray, leave OK, click here and freeze selection. Now I don't have that problem to select the character. Well, here I will bring this. Let me choose the beep, this mesh. Okay, so I can move this to here. I can rotate here in local, it's better. Okay, more or less here. I can rotate this too. Let me make the things. I can select the tree and make something like this. Okay, Let's change the position of this foot. I will rotate this, we'll rotate the tool. Okay, I will make this and we'll move this into here. Take a look. I don't need to rotate too much. Remember that this is not a basic course of 3ds Max. I'm not so satisfied. That's much better. Okay, this is not a basic course of 3ds Max, so if you never saw 3ds Max, you may find some difficulties to work. Okay, so let me change the position, the hand position. Let me put this more or less here. If you want, you can raise his shoulder in this part, and here you can have something like that. Let me see in this view. I need to adjust here a little bit. Yeah, something really like this. And here in this part, I believe I can rotate a little like this. And let's of course make the characters look to the great car. Wow, this car is good. Let's I turn it off the auto key, of course, because I want to create the pose of the character right here. Okay, I can move this finger. Let me see. I think it's okay. I think it's fine. Maybe want to have the hand a little bit here in the front. Let me change this to okay. Alright, that's fine. You can see we already have a pose, a good pose. I could change the position of the fingers of this hand, letting this more comfortable. For example, for a great pose, I always double click here, rotate, double click here, rotate a little, double click here, and here you have a more comfortable hand pose. Alright, okay, that's fine. So remember that we have another 3 meshes, so I can put the unhide all. And here is the result. If you find some problems, click unfreeze all. If you find some problems like this, for example, let me hide this mesh. This is okay. Let me hide the bones. Take a look. This is a little problem, okay, of the optimization process, because I'm saving these files, and you have the Pro Optimizer button in the skin. So because this position, you cannot use the Pro Optimizer up this skin, because we are working in a position, we are working on animation. So don't worry about this. You just need to make this type of correction. Click in the original, copy the skin, okay, and here, for example, delete the skin and put it again. It's perfect. Go here, delete the skin, put it again. This is a little error here, but it's good because I can show you how to fix this error. It's the same mesh, guys. Okay, you can go here and save this. I'm saving this as Rodrigo Agent Material Convert Special, like it was a special pose. I already have this file saved, so I will not save it this time. And now you can select all these meshes, okay, and go here, group and group. By the way, you can convert this to editable poly. It's better, alright? Group, group, and now you can rename this as Rodrigo Agent Special. Rodrigo Agent Special New. Like it was a new mesh. Okay, and now go here, more level of detail, okay. Let me click it again because it was open, and you just need to click here, create new set. This is the very optimized mesh, but you will see this more or less here in this distance, so it's okay. All right, all the lots has just 28,000 triangles, all the 4 meshes. Alright guys, and go here, export selected, and I will put here Rodrigo agent special new. Alright, okay, and now let's go into the UDK. UDK is very similar to the Unreal Engine. We have 2 videos showing you how to work with the Unreal Engine 4. And now, of course, I can bring the car, bring the character, but I don't like this post-process. I don't like this occlusion. We don't have the reflection channel. In the training videos, I show you how to work with that, okay? So I will open a scene here, for example, the street scene. Here's the street scene, so you have the car here, but you don't have the character, and we can add another element here to make this more interesting. Okay, so let's go here, and in the humans, you right mouse button and click fully load. So you have all the poses. This was a test. I will bring our new pose that we did now. Just right click here, import, and find Rodrigo special new, because I already had a special pose, but now I did a special new to show you this time. Let's click open and OK to all. Let's wait a little and you will have the mesh. By the way, when you open a package, you can, let me wait a second here. It's importing 2 of 4 meshes. It's the lots. The engine is not importing the materials because the material is already done. The textures is done. The engine will understand that it has the same name, so it don't need to import all that again. So here is our pose, okay? And let's click here. Let's rotate a little. All right. The scale is 1.3 or 1.4. I will put 1.35. Why this is the value I used in the UDK? The value in the Unreal Engine 4, it's a little different. So don't worry about this measure. You always need to make some adjustments. So if you click play, because we are using UDK scripting, you see the character has the right size. Let me go here, take a look. Oh, very good. Where's the eye of the character? Oh, is that? Okay, great car. All right, man. Let's go here. You can play with our package of these collections. You can go into race, full load. You can bring this here, for example, 1.3. Let's move a little down. Let's put this here. You can go in the garden. A garden 2, you can make a fully load. You can bring these little rocks in the floor. Okay, all with the unwrap channels. You can put these meshes. Some trees I have the high, the low, and the mid. So low, it means we have a few leaves, as you can see, and here's a more dense with more faces. All right, so you can use what you want. You can go here and put this into this vase. It's fine. You can put this into the floor, making your scene very good. We have in the garden, we have this small palm. Where is it? It's here. Let's put here 1.3. okay, let me put this here. All right, let me close this for now. Let me move this a little bit to show you. Okay, when we click in the building light, we can see the shadow here. It looks really more interesting. It makes this scene a lot better. Let's put, for example, if you want to put some trees here, it's fine too. You have these options. For example, here, let me put 1.5 5, for example, a big one. If you want to make move this a little bit to here, making the shadow and the light just in the character, as you can see. Let me click play, take a look. Okay, as you can see, you have the reflections in these windows, and I will repeat, these scenes can look much better in the Unreal Engine 4. Take a look in the character. Here are some very close details, just to show you our quality. Okay. Again, this tree looks much better when I click in the building light, but the building light takes a little longer, so you can make for yourself here. Alright, I really like to see the data lighting, because when we use the data light we can see the results of the normal. Take a look here, just to you to see that we have great details. This character has a texture with just 2048. Okay, so you have a lot of details here. Here in the face you have that hair bump, the skin pores, okay, the beard, and here the tree, this part of the tree, you have the normal here. Let's see. Okay, so everything is optimized. When I click play here, for example, if I move far away, you will see a little flash in the character, in the models, because it's changing the logic. Take a look here. As you see, the character is changing that color, because it's changed the mesh. Okay, the same with the tree. If I move far away, take a look. Alright, the load process usually I cut in the half. So if the character has the original mesh 13,000 triangles, the next load has just 7 or 6,000 polygons. Okay, the next one 3,000, the next one 1,500. Okay, so hope you like this lesson. I'm finishing for now. You can play a lot with these models and watch the training videos. I'm sure this is a great collection and great training material for you. So have a nice bye bye.